Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third Sudoku in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Friday, January the 15th, 2021. We have two Sudokus left, a binary puzzle and a tectonic. So I will first solve this binary puzzle. And this will be number 2170. Yeah, it's an additional, by the way, of Friday, January the 15th, 2021. Yes, this binary puzzle. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. I see here 3 O's. So the fourth O cannot be in one of these two boxes because it must be in one of these 3 boxes. Otherwise, I have 3 1's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So the fourth O should be in one of these 3. So the rest are 1's. So those 2 boxes are 1's. Alright. Now we have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double 1 here, no there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1's comes in O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Now we have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Then. Yeah, 3 O's. The number 4 cannot be here. Otherwise, we have 3 1's in a row in this row. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. If I place the O there, the fourth O, then we have still 3 O's, 3 1's in a row in this row. Not allowed. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Alright. Between 2 1's comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. 1, 2, 3, and I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this should be an O. Yes. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Then. How about, I think I need to compare. Yeah, I need to compare. 101. Do we have a 101 here? No. I cannot compare those. Do we have a 001? 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 0111. What's happening? Where's the opening? The opening. I need to find the opening. Between 2 O's comes in 1. That's overlooked. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 1's. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 1's. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1's in a row. in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be an O. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be a 1. This should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. Then, do I need to compare? That's the question. I think we need to compare. 101, 1001. Let me see. No, I do not have 100. I think we need to compare the columns then. Yeah. 010. Do we have 010 here? 010, 010, 010. 010. 10. This one and that one. This column and the last column. Empty box 0011 0011 0011 empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O there, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Finish in 6 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this binary. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also, thumbs down. Thank you for watching. And I will see you later with the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic one. Tectonic with 4 stars, aka Suguru in Japanese. So see you later. Bye bye for now.